spell I use each year. Make your own and have no fear. Nature provides a lot, you see. Look around and you'll agree. Gather from your garden or from your local park. Hurry now before it gets dark. Mix together in a little pot until it becomes a nice big broth. Gather some twigs, take a few fresh acorns, align them on the ground, scrape up some moss and throw it to the mound. Your happiness collected is now joined with the sound of joy and wind and greatness abound. Hear the wind blow through the leaves, hear the waves upon the sea. Conjoin yourself with nature and light to the wonders and darkness of the witch's night.